Hello friends, welcome to this video on SQL interview questions. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and do check the description box for other useful video links. Now let's get started with the first question. What is the difference between contains and like? So contains syntax, it has a column, then the math string. But for like, it has a column before, then the like keyword, and at last the math string. Contains works only for full text index, but like does not need any prior configuration. It has a better performance, it has poor performance. It can query formatted binary data, it cannot. It is a more powerful search, but like works only for simple string matches. Here we are trying to select from Adventure Works database the department in the human resource. So if I give like along with these wildcat characters for pro, it gives me a production and production control. But the same thing, if I try to get the pro keyword, it gives me an error because I have not enabled full text index. The second question is, what will the output of the below two queries? Here we're selecting the names from production products. So here are my products, full finger gloves of size LMS and half finger gloves of LMS. So here we are having the percentile symbol, the gloves, again percentile symbol, then M. Here we are having the underscore twice and then M. So output for this both will be same because the percentage symbol considers all the characters which is before. It can be any number of characters, while the underscore considers only a single character. A third question is again, what is the output of these two? Here we are using this bracket and MNS at the back. Here we are using this bracket for full and half, and at last we are using the L as a not with a not symbol. So here also the output will be same because for M and S it works as an OR, either M or S. So it gets me all the gloves of full and half finger with M and S. Here it will get me the full and half finger gloves and which does not ends with L. So it will be M and S. Fourth question is, what is the difference between Colas and Isnal? So Isnal, the parameters are it checks the expression, then there's a replacement value. It returns the checked expression if checked expression is not null, otherwise it returns the replacement value. If a collage, it contains any number of parameters of the expression and it returns the first non-null expression. This is not available in Oracle where we can use the NVL. It is available in Oracle. There is a better performance here. It has a lower performance. Here we are trying to use the isNull with first name and middle name. So since the first name doesn't contain a null, it contains only the first name. Similarly, for collage, we can get the same output using this. What will the output of these two? Here, we are declaring a variable of ABCDE and an int value of 567. What will be the collage of A and B and A? Will it be same? No, it will not be. The first here will return me an error because the return data type of collage will be the data type with higher precedence. Int has higher precedence and varchar cannot be converted to it. Therefore, this returns an error and this returns me the integer value. How to overcome this issue in real business scenario? So in business scenario, there might be a case where we have to collate multiple columns and they may not be of same data type. That time, the workaround which we can do is we can convert the columns to a single data type that is varchar. Here I have converted them to varchar using the cast function and I can get the output here. What will be the output of the below two queries? Will it be same? So here we are using the ASCII function to get for A and here it is the worker is ABC. So output of this both will be same because ASCII function returns the ASCII value of the first character. It doesn't consider the other characters in the string. Eighth question is, what will the output of this query? Will it be 0 or 2? So char char index is case insensitive, so the output will be 2. So it doesn't considers the case lower or upper case. And the 0 will be the answer if we are entering a string, we're trying to find a string which is not, sorry, character which is not in this string. Here x is not here, so we get the 0. Ninth question is, will the output of these two will be same? Here we are using the data length function, here we are using the length function, and this variable is same. So no, it will not be, because length excludes the trailing spaces but not the data length. Here we have two trailing spaces, so it returns 5 while length returns us only 3. 10th question, what is the difference between cast and convert? So for cast, we have the parameters, that is expression of any type, data type. It returns the expression cast as a target data type. Here for convert, we have data type, then the expression. And the important thing is it has a data style, which is an integer small int value. It returns the expression of the target data type. So let's go through an example. Here we're trying to select the get date, which gives us the system date in the date and time format. Then we're casting the date to varchar using the cast function. Then it gives me this. When we use convert, we have an optional style parameter where we, if we set it 100, so it is a default. It is a default date and time. That's why we get the same as a cast. But where there are numerous other options, so I have just tried 101, which gives us the MMDDYYY format. All the formats, sorry, the style details are given in the Microsoft web link. We can check from there. What's the difference between format and convert? Here, format returns the value formatted with the specified format, and an optional culture is can also be included. Use the format function for locally aware formatting of data and time and number values as strings. For general data conversions, we can use cast or convert. This is mentioned in the Microsoft Docs. For convert, we have already seen this. For format, we have to give the value to format, then the format value as varchar, and the culture is optional. We can give or not. It will always return as a varchar. So now let's go through another example. Here we get the get date as we did in the previous question. We give us a system date. For formatting, I can give the format string and then to what format I want to convert. So here I'm using the which is, will give me the month. There is a space, then there are two pipelines, then there is a dollar symbol again space. So it just converts into that format and returns me. While for convert, as we have already seen, we need a styling parameter, and these parameters are already defined by Microsoft. There are certain numerics which we can use, and the formats are predefined. A 12th question is, will the output of these two be same? Here we are declaring a variable a, and we are selecting the trim of dollars. We are trimming the dollars from this a, and here we are replacing the dollar in a with nothing. So output will not be same because the trim removes only from start and end, but replace will replace all the occurrences. So if you see, for first the trim, the start and end dollars are removed but not the middle ones. Whereas for replace, every dollar has been replaced. What is the difference between case and if? So case evaluates multiple conditions and returns the possible result expressions, while if returns one of two values depending on whether the Boolean expression evaluates to true or false in SQL Server. Format is case when condition 1 then result 1, when condition n it can go up to n, then return n. Else there is one result we can print, and finally the end. If has a Boolean expression true value and false value. The third difference is here in else, in case the else value is optional, while for if the false value is mandatory. If we try here to select the if, there is a condition if a greater than b, then print b. But else is not given, therefore it will give me an error. If we give the else value as something, then only it will print give us the result. But if we see For case, if we are not giving the else value, then it will return me a null value. If we give the case, sorry, else in case, it will give me that else value. 14th question, again we have to find whether these two queries output will be same. Here we are giving a worker variable and we are using substring. Here we are using the write. So yeah, these both are same. Let's go through it. We are using a substring, passing the variable a. The length should be, so the starting of this should be the length of this variable minus 5, and I have to count or go to 6 characters. For write, I'm using the variable and 6 characters from write. So yeah, these both outputs are same. Our last question is, will the output of below two queries be same? Here we are declaring an integer, then a worker a1 and a2. First, we are trying to use a concat function here. Here we are passing the variable, concatenating it with some space, then few dollars, there is a space, then again the second variable a2. But for the second case, we are selecting a1, we are using the plus symbol, there is a space here, again plus, again dollar space plus and a2. So yeah, the result of both will be same. Thank you for watching.